Have you ever just hit a wall with a really tough business challenge? You know that feeling, right? Where you're just completely and utterly stuck. It happens to all of us. And in a world that's always demanding something new, the old ways of thinking, well, they just don't cut it anymore. Today, we're going to talk about a powerful way to break right through those walls and find some truly creative solutions.
So, let me ask you this. Do you know what it really takes to be a design thinker? You've probably heard the term thrown around, but I promise you it is so much more than just a buzzword. It's a whole new mindset, a new way of looking at problems, and honestly, a powerful tool for anyone who wants to create real change. I mean, we've all been there, staring down the same problem day after day, feeling that roadblock just grind everything to a halt. It doesn't matter if it's a product, a service, or even an internal process. That feeling of being stuck is it's frustrating. And that's exactly what we're here to talk about solving.
So this brings us to a new way of thinking. What if there was a repeatable, structured way to get unstuck? A reliable path to unlocking those amazing, creative solutions you know are in there somewhere. Well, that is the promise of design thinking.
Okay, so what is it exactly? At its heart, design thinking is all about being human-centered. Think of it like a Venn diagram. You've got one circle for the genuine needs of people, another for the possibilities of technology, and a third for what makes sense for the business. That sweet spot right in the middle, that's where real, meaningful innovation happens.
And this is where it gets really interesting. Think about how we usually solve problems. We start with the constraints, right? The budget, the tech we already have, the way things have always been done. Design thinking completely flips that on its head. It starts with people. It starts with empathy, with truly understanding the human at the center of the problem. And that simple shift, it opens up a whole new world of possibilities.
So how do you actually learn to think this way? Well, it all happens in a really hands-on, 2-day transformation. And it all kicks off on day 1, where we do a deep dive into understanding human needs. Day 1 is broken down into 3 really important steps. First off, you're going to learn the core mindsets, how to be human-centered, collaborative, and always focused on action. Next, you'll get your hands on some amazing tools like personas and empathy maps to really get inside your user's head. And then, this is the best part. You're going to immediately apply what you've learned in a hands-on session. This is all about learning by doing.
Okay, so once you've built that solid foundation of empathy on day 1, we pivot. Day 2 is where the magic really starts to happen. This is all about taking those insights and bringing your ideas to life.
On day 2, you'll learn how to frame the right opportunity, using these powerful how might we questions to spark incredible creativity. From there, it's all about exploring solutions, generating tons of ideas with proven techniques. And finally, you get to build stuff. You'll create simple, fast prototypes to make your ideas real and get them in front of users for that crucial feedback.
Now, I really want to stress this. This is not a lecture. You're not just going to sit there and listen to someone talk for 2 days. This is a fully experiential workshop. It's all about engagement, interaction, and practice. So, after these 2 really immersive days, what's the big payoff? I mean, what do you walk away with? It's not just a piece of paper. You're going to gain tangible skills that literally empower you to become a catalyst for change in your organization.
You are going to walk out of there with the ability to generate breakthrough ideas and build amazing customer experiences. You'll become a more empathetic leader, a more effective team member. You'll have this deep, practical understanding of all the tools and processes, and you'll be ready to apply this framework to your biggest, most complex problems.
So at this point, you might be thinking, okay, this sounds cool, but is this course really for me? Well, if you see yourself as an innovator, or you want to be one, at any level, then this is absolutely your invitation. Seriously, this course is built for anyone who wants practical, hands-on knowledge. It doesn't matter if you're a senior business leader, a manager, or an individual contributor on a team. If you're looking for a better way to solve problems and drive real innovation, you belong here.
And listen, this isn't just theory. At the very heart of this workshop is a real-world challenge. You'll work with a team to tackle a real unmet human need, and then you'll present your ideas. You get to see the entire process through, from start to finish.
Look, the world is always going to throw new challenges our way. The future belongs to the people who can meet them with empathy, with creativity, and with a clear process for innovation. So, the only question left is, are you ready to solve what's next?